Mint Mobile versus AT&T, which is better today? If you're choosing between Mint Mobile and AT&T, this breakdown will help you decide. Mint Mobile is a low-cost prepaid carrier that runs on T-Mobile's network, offering budget-friendly plans with bulk pricing. You pay up front for 3, 6, or 12 months, which significantly reduces the monthly cost. AT&T, on the other hand, is a major carrier with extensive coverage, premium perks, and postpaid plans that allow monthly payments but at a higher price. Coverage and performance. AT&T has one of the strongest networks in the US, covering 99% of Americans, with a mix of 5G, 4G LTE, and rural connectivity. This makes it a solid choice for those in remote areas. Mint Mobile, while using T-Mobile's growing 5G network, may experience deprioritization during peak hours since it operates as an MVNO, mobile virtual network operator. In urban and suburban areas, Mint delivers great speeds, but if you travel to rural locations often, AT&T is the safer bet. Pricing and plans. Mint Mobile is one of the cheapest prepaid options, with plans starting at $15 a month for 5 gigabytes of data when you prepay for a year. Unlimited data is $30 a month, but speeds slow after 40 gigabytes of usage. AT&T's postpaid plans start at $65 a month for unlimited data, but they include premium network access, meaning your speeds won't slow even during congestion. AT&T also has prepaid options, but they are pricier than Mint. Features and perks. Mint Mobile includes free hotspot usage, Wi-Fi calling, and free international texting, but lacks premium perks. AT&T, however, provides more high-speed hotspot data, roaming in Mexico and Canada, and optional bundles like HBO Max on certain plans. AT&T's family plans also offer discounts, making it more attractive for multiple lines. Who should choose what? If you want the cheapest unlimited plan, are comfortable prepaying for service, and live in an area with strong T-Mobile coverage, Mint Mobile is the best value. However, if you prioritize coverage, consistent speeds, international perks, or a postpaid plan, AT&T is the better choice. Final verdict. For budget-conscious users in urban or suburban areas, Mint Mobile is unbeatable in value. If you need better rural coverage, premium speeds, or postpaid flexibility, AT&T wins. Ultimately, your choice depends on your location, budget, and whether you're okay with prepaying for savings. Which one are you going with? Let me know in the comments.